Sometimes English learners and English learners with disabilities need accommodations and accessibility features in order to access grade-level content and demonstrate how well they understand the material they are being taught or tested on. Ideally, the same support should be used across both instruction and assessment. Let's take a look at how a West Virginia teacher employs a hard copy, dual language dictionary to facilitate understanding during a test. This is Miss Armstrong's math classroom. Today, she is conducting a short quiz. Abdul, who arrived in the U.S. during the middle of the last school year, attends this class. Abdul is a bright student who always did well in math in his home country. Although he may have limited English proficiency, he has a solid foundation in math concepts in his first language. He is also a fluent reader in his first language. When asking the class to clear their desks before starting the quiz, Miss Armstrong noticed that Abdul looked nervous. "Abdul," asked Miss Armstrong, "are you doing okay?" "I'm sorry, Miss Armstrong," said Abdul. "I left my electronic translator at home." Abdul uses an Arabic to English dual language translator for classroom work on a regular basis when math-English vocabulary is unfamiliar to him. Miss Armstrong thought for a moment, but then remembered that during earlier class assignments, Abdul had previously used a hard copy dictionary from the set of bilingual word-to-word dictionaries she keeps on the bookshelf. "Abdul, you are welcome to use one of the bilingual Arabic to English dictionaries we have here in the classroom," said Miss Armstrong, "and feel free to ask me for help. I can't speak Arabic, but I'm happy to read or explain a question to you." Abdul was relieved to hear this. He had memorized the key math terms in English, but often other words in math problems are unfamiliar. "Thank you," said Abdul. "I was nervous I might misunderstand the questions and answer the wrong thing. Word problems can be difficult. I can understand how to do the math, but get confused with the directions and word problems." "I understand," said Miss Armstrong. "That is why I want to make sure you're able to translate words you do not understand and can ask me if it still doesn't make sense. If you practice working on questions with the word-to-word dictionary now, it will really help you when you take the state math test in the spring." When students learning English are able to tap into what they already know in their first language, they are more likely to gain access to grade-level content.